Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're somewhere different today, and that's because I moved in with my boyfriend, but joke's on us, we got a different place, so I'm gonna be moving again. That's neither here nor there though. Today, I am going to be transforming into my vintage Christmas bulb. I'm going to be recreating this on my face to make my annual Christmas holiday card. So I don't feel like this requires any further information. I just need to get to it. This is going to be an experiment because I am not 100% certain as to what I'm doing here. So enjoy. Yeah, whatever. Okay. How does one even begin? I guess I need to prime my face, but did I even bring any? This is off to a great start. Let's really make magic happen here. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I'm not even gonna talk through this, so I'm just gonna listen to some music because you'll see what happens. So this is just the first part. Now I have to take the photos for the card, and then I have to make the card, and then I have to send it to all of the people that I've worked with this year. So originally I was going to wear a wig, but didn't really turn out the way that I wanted it to, so just kind of did my own hair thing situation. Anywho, this is so haphazard, and I apologize. My battery died midway through this, so I've just been trying to get this going before I lose the light to take the photos for the actual card and yada yada yada. So let's move right along. I'm gonna take some photos and that's alright. I was so nervous to take it off because I'm just so used to this new life. All right, I guess that concludes my Christmas card journey. See you in the next one. Toodles!